Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dave and I hope you guys are doing well. So we're back with another unboxing video here. Today we have here with us the Philips Series 3000 trimmer. This here is the BT3203. This is a cordless trimmer and let me show you around the box. It's a very plain box, I think just to be eco-friendly they have used that, very plain, just a simple cardboard box. And this is what it says. The MRP of this is $14.95, but you can get it for around $1,200 or $1,100 during the discount times, so you can check that out. So let's not waste any more time and do the unboxing of this. Some branding, that is nice. So so the outside of this is like this and the inside they have it's a good unboxing experience. So a bit of color, so that's always nice. So inside the box we have 1 year of warranty. Apparently this is the warranty card, and some documentation, instruction manual, how to turn it on, etc, 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 important safety information, and a big, what is that, international warranty. So this is the warranty card. So before I take it out, let me tell you a bit about this, since there is no information on this around the box. To use it, you will have to charge it for around 45 minutes to use it as cordless, but you have to charge it for 10 hours. So that is, you have to charge it for 10 hours to get 45 minutes of use. So this is 10 lock-in length settings, and the cutting length of the product is 0.5 mm with 10 mm with 1 mm precision. So that is very good. And since this is a Philips, yeah, I have good faith that this will be a good product. So this is 30% faster trimming with lift and cut system, something they have trademarked. This has long lasting performance. So this has 2 years of warranty, but you can get one additional year if you do a registration. And this has self-sharpening steel blades and very easy to clean. So let me show you what is in the box. That's nice. These days they usually give you a USB cable and no charger. So this actually has a charger. This has a little bit of an LED here which will glow, I'm sure. Small charger, that's nice. And this is the port, a double pin. This port is aside, and take out the charger itself. Okay, how does this open? Okay, in plain cardboard. Okay, I would say this is ergonomic. They have a wheel here to adjust the length of this, so that's nice. These are the levels. This is removable. They have a card here. So okay, so the blade itself, this does not move, but with adjust the top part, this moves. Let me do a weight test to see how much it weighs. 124. That's quite nice. Not too heavy, not too light. So yeah, I'll be doing the review of this very soon. Do keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions regarding this trimmer, put it in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of your queries. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Till then, check out one of our recent videos here and stay safe. Goodbye.